Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at determining the rates of change. So this is an explore exercise just to get a clear understanding what rate of change means. So essentially, you have a definition here, but essentially it means the change in y over the change in x. And here's an example of a table that shows the year and the cost of sending 1-ounce letters in cents. So for every year, this is the price below it. Okay, so this is, they left the 2000 off here, but it's 2003, 4, 16, sorry, 6, 8, and 13. All right, so what they want you to do is figure out the change in y over the change in x. Okay, and that'll let you know how much the rate of change in cents per year. So we've got here for A, we want to know between 2003 and 2004. Well, the x, which is the years, is down here, 4 minus 3. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is going to get you 1, and that's the change in x. Now that's under the change in y, which is 37 minus 37. Okay, and that gets you 0. So that's going to equal 0 cents per year. Alright, next we're going to do between 2004 and 2006. So let's plug in the cent here, and the cent is for 2006 is 39 minus 37. So 39 minus 37 is going to get us 2 cents for every 6 minus 4, 2 years. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it changes 1 cent per year. Alright, next from 2006 to 2008. In 2008, it was 42 cents. And in 2006, it was 39 cents. Okay, and if you subtract that, you will get 3. So 42 minus 39 will get you 3. And then 8 minus 6 will get you 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So it's 1.5 cents per year. Now from 08 to 13, we're looking at 46 in 13 minus 42 in 08. And that's going to get you 4. But it's over a longer span of years. So 13 minus 8 is 5. So the change here is 0.8 cents per year. Alright, so that is the change coming from a table. Now the next thing we want to do is look at a change, the rate of change coming from a graph. So what you want to do next is we're going to plot those exact same points on the graph first. So I'm going to go ahead, pause the video, and put those points up on here on this graph. Okay, so this should be what your graph looks like. You've got 3 and 37, 4 and 37, 6 and 39, 8 and 42, and 13 and 46 based on this table that's down here. Okay, stretch that out a little more. Cool. Alright, now you got these pluses here, like plus 2, plus 2, then up to 3, then plus 2. I'm going to go over that in just a second. So if we scroll down here, we're looking at this here. It says find the rate of change for each time period using the graph. So what we want to do is find the rate of change using the graph. So they want to know between 4:37 and 6:39, what is the rate of change? Well, let's look at that one. So 4:37 and 6:39 is going up 2 and over 2. So that's going to be 2 over 2. Write that out, which will get you 1 cent per year. Alright, the next between 6:39 and 8 and 42, 6 and 8, you're going up 3 and over 2. Alright, so that's up 3 and over 2. You divide that, you get 1.5. On the next one here, it says between 8 and 42 and 13 and 46. On that one, you're going up 4 and up and then over 5. So that's going to be 4 over 5, which is reduced down to 0.8. Okay? So if these numbers look familiar, that's because they are. It's the same table and the exact same numbers we had here. Okay. So also, if rate of change looks like slope, you're right as well, because rate of change is slope. So that's what we just found here. And that is us exploring with rate of change. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.